Hi, friends. Ready for a jungle adventure? Let's start with brown. Do you know a jungle animal that is commonly brown?
Yes!
This brown jungle animal loves to climb high up on trees. 2 ears for listening to jungle sounds. Their favorite food is banana. Can you name the animal? Uh-huh. 2 eyes wide open, watching for snacks. Let's carve a big smile. Someone's feeling cheeky. And don't forget the scruffy hair on top. Jungle Breeze style. It's Monkey. He's ready to swing through the jungle. Next, what will we make with this light blue clay? Hey, we got 2 of them. Squish, squish. 2 big flappy ears. They have the biggest ears in the jungle. A round head in the middle. Smooth, smooth, smooth. These ears help them stay cool in the hot sun. Have you seen ears as big as theirs? Smile time! Let's draw a happy smile. Here comes the long trunk. You use the trunk to grab food and give hugs. Now, add 2 friendly eyes. Blink, blink. This animal is the biggest land animal on Earth. That's right. It's elephant. Big, kind, and full of love. Moving on to the next jungle animal with orange clay. But we'll start with brown clay. What could this be? Snip, snip with the tool. Wait, that looks like hair? Let's add 2 cute ears. And more hair? This animal has a majestic fluffy mane. A soft orange face in the middle. Did you know? This animal can roar so loud you can hear them from miles away. Yape! It's a lion! He is the king of the jungle, brave, gentle, and ready to play. Ooh, this next jungle buddy is green and a real jumper. Flatten the green clay like a lily pad. And pop on 2 big round eyes. Shiny eyes that help it see above the water. They can see in every direction too. Aren't they awesome? This jungle animal sounds like this. Ribbit, ribbit. I think you know what it is. It's a frog. Our bouncy jungle friend is ready for a splash. Off you go. Out next jungle friend is yellow and loves to stretch up. Up, up, high. Stretch the yellow clay up nice and long. Add the tiny feelers. Those are called ossicones. This animal also has special brown spots, like fingerprints. This jungle buddy might just be the tallest in the jungle. It's giraffe! Our tall, gentle friend is ready to peek over the trees. Done! All our jungle friends are here. Lion! Frog! Monkey! Elephant! Giraffe! Great job!